my name is Jayakritika. Today's topic is Hubble Space Telescope. Note, the PDF file of this PowerPoint presentation is included in the description. The words underlined in this video have their meanings in the end. What is a telescope? A telescope is an optical instrument that makes distant objects appear magnified by using an arrangement of lenses or curved mirrors and lenses or various devices used to observe distant objects by their emission, absorption or reflection of electromagnetic radiation. What is the Hubble Space Telescope? Hubble Space Telescope is a space telescope that was launched into low Earth orbit in 1990 and remains in operation. It was not the first space telescope, but it is one of the largest and most versatile, well known both as a vital research tool and as a public relation boon for astronomy. The timeline of the Hubble missions. This is the image of the timeline of the Hubble missions. Properties of the Hubble. Manufacturer Lockheed for the spacecraft, Perkin-Elmer for the optics. Launch marks 11,110 kg or 24,490 pounds. Dimensions 13.2 meter into 4.2 meters. Power 2,800 watts. History of the telescope. In the 1970s, NASA and ESA took it up proposing a 3-meter diameter telescope. Funding began in 1977. It was named after Edwin Hubble, who had discovered the expansion of the universe in the 1920s. Although downsized to 2.4 meters, the project started to attract significant attention from the astronomers. Although subsequent servicing missions were at least as demanding in terms of complexity and workload, SM-1 captured the attention of both astronomers and the public. Hubble was back in business. They installed the replacement Science Instrument Command and Data Handling Unit, a fine guidance sensor, new batteries, gyros, and installation. Hubble has resumed its scientific observation with expanded science capabilities and extended life. Until June 2012, it was hosted by the Space Telescope European Coordination Facility located at the headquarters of the European Southern Observatory near Munich, Germany. Edwin Hubble. Edwin Powell Hubble was an American astronomer. He played a crucial role in establishing the fields of extragalactic astronomy and observational cosmology and is regarded as one of the most important astronomers of all time. Word meanings. Lenses, a piece of glass or other transparent materials with curved sides for concentrating or dispersing light rays used singly or with other lenses as in a telescope. Versatile, able to adapt or be adapted to many different functions or activities. Boon, a thing that is helpful or beneficial. Subsequent, coming after something in time following. Gyros. Gyros or gyroscopes are a device consisting of a wheel or a disc mounted so that it can spin rapidly around about an axis which is itself free to alter the direction. Extragalactic. Situated, occurring, or originating outside the Milky Way galaxy. Cosmology. Cosmology is a branch of astronomy concerned with the studies of the origin and evaluation of the universe from the Big Bang to today and on into the future. It is the scientific study or origin, evaluation, and eventual fate of the universe. Thanks for watching. Done by Kritika's Creations. Bye.